Indian weddings is the gathering of people, and Corona has stopped that happening. Whether it was demonetization, whether it was recession, whatever it was, it really didn't affect on a large scale. Corona has affected our industry to its core. Weddings are still happening, but definitely not at the scale and not at the way in which we kind of normally do it, Yes, we were very jittery because it was like in the middle of the lockdown that this was happening, and we kind of planned everything, whatever we could virtually. We put in whatever we could gather from the things that are happening and adapting from other industries what they are doing. The essential industries that had already started, what they're doing is something that we adapted to. So making sure that the setup is ready 2 days prior, and then a sanitization team coming in, doing the entire sanitization. Then for 2 days, that area and that wherever the ceremony is happening was untouched. But like our team and our vendors who were going to be there, they had to do their COVID test prior and post. It isn't as easy as it looks, because you have to working in firstly the PPE kits, masks, shields. You're not sure how that entire movement is going to go. Even the workers, when they got their stuff, we got it sanitized first down in the building. That was sanitized first, kept there, then gotten up, then sanitization team pre-post. So there was a lot of focus apart from just giving out guests masks and sanitizers, which were the basic things that we did as well. But apart from just that, all these other backhand precautions for the first time were a little challenging for us to because we didn't know if we were doing the right thing, to be honest. There's no checklist, there's no guideline. We are making our own checklist, we are adding into it. A lot of the clients feel like, okay, since the entire guest list of the wedding has gone down, so will the budget. Now the overall budget might go down, but in terms of a planner, it's a lot more work, even if there are 50 people. As planners, we are very clear. If we feel even for 1 second that, the client is okay saying that, okay, listen, you don't need to do 2 COVID tests. You don't need to do pre and post. Just do pre and come. Then we know that this client, in terms of safety, in terms of that precautionary, is not up to probably the level that we would want to. And today as planners, we're not only responsible for getting these people together and having a great time and creating memories. Our sole job was creating an experience for them, building memories, crafting memories, which they can live for the rest of their lives. Now, apart from doing that, we have to have that responsibility of safety. So when you're the planner on board, you are basically the captain of the ship. And that illusion of normal, what it was, is something that now we as planners need to create, knowing that normal doesn't exist anymore. Now the normal can be created by us. It's not something that exists and we just have to follow. So it's a great opportunity, of course. So for each and everyone out there, it's a request to genuinely treat this as number one, that Corona is there. It's not that, okay, let's do the wedding and dekhenge kya hoega. Please do not have that attitude. I know a lot of people who have done this, and you must have also heard of the weddings that have happened here and there where bride and grooms themselves have gotten Corona because they're not aware and they think that, it's okay, nothing will happen. We'll see, whatever has to happen will happen. That kind of attitude, But hire a planner. They know they will be able to guide you in a particular direction as to what is best suited for you. The trend was building where, okay, you get a chef from America or you get an Italian chef to make your pizza or whatever. So those trends were picking up drastically, prior to COVID. And I think now that has probably fallen flat and a lot of opportunities will be created here. I think we've gone back to the start of, how weddings used to be. Long time back, I think we weren't even born then, but maybe our parents or their parents got married in their houses. Functions happened where there were 10-15 people in their houses, in their backyard or whatever. And I feel like now we're going to start from the beginning and then it will grow out. Feeling of always wanting that big fat Indian wedding is always going to be there. The part about intimate weddings will come in where I think a balance will start to get created, because currently we had the normal. Currently we're in a phase of constructing the next normal, or the new normal that everyone's calling it, and then it'll actually be living the new normal. You know, we haven't reached that living the new normal stage to kind of say what it's going to be like.